So today we will build a palindrome checker web page. So first of all, in order to build a palindrome checker, first of all we need HTML file. Inside the HTML file, this is the title of our web page, check palindrome, and inside the body we have taken I have taken a form. Inside the form I have taken an input, the string input, and one button that is called check palindrome. If we click that button, then it will check whether the string is palindrome or not, and it will print accordingly. So this is the script part, javascript code that is actually implementing the logic. So first of all, document.getElement by id sub, you can see that the button id is sub. So we are taking the um, we are selecting this button, and we are adding a event listener, that is click. When user will click on that button, check palindrome button, then my func function will be triggered. So when the my func function will be triggered, then i will I will get the um, value inside this input field, that's id is str. So I have stored that value document.getElement by id str dot value inside a str variable. So now I am checking that whether str is null or not. If string is null, then it will show put a string in the alert box. But if it is not null, then it will implement the actual logic. So what is the logic? So the first we will be taking two pointer. The first pointer I will be pointing to the first uh, element of the string, and j will be pointing to the last element of the string. That is nothing but str.length minus 1, and our I have initialized our default answer is palindrome. Now it will check whether it is actually palindrome or not. This is the function, this is the loop while I less than j. Mm, until I is equal to j, it will check if str I not equal to j. If it will check whether uh, what does it mean by palindrome. Palindrome means after the reverse, the string will be same as it is. So it will check whether uh, whether the two characters are same or not. If two characters are same, then it will okay, it will continue the loop. If two characters somehow is not same, then mm, that's mean the string is not palindrome. In that point, answer will be set to not palindrome, and it will break the loop. And accordingly it will I plus plus and j minus minus, because one pointer will be from I towards the j, and another pointer j will be from the uh, last index towards I. That's why I plus plus and j minus minus, and at the last we will get the answer. uh, this answer will be containing not palindrome or palindrome. If it is palindrome, then the entire loop will be executed, and the loop will not break. Entire loop will be executed, and the answer will be palindrome. But if it is not palindrome, then in that particular point answer will be set to not palindrome, and loop will break, and this answer will be updated. Then we will have this answer not palindrome in case of not non-palindromic string. Now let's run this code and check. So we will say if it is an empty, so let's click on palindrome. Then you can see here it is asking for a string. Put a string. Okay, now put a non-palindromic string. HELLO. This is not palindrome, so you can see this is not palindrome. And let's put a palindromic string, that is madam. MADAM. You can see AMADAM from this side, and from this side AMADAM. This is palindrome. Now this is palindrome. Now put another string. A. This is also palindrome. From this side also a palindrome. This side also same. So this is palindrome. Oh, that's it. Thank you. And one thing that you must do, that I have not done here before, that is you have to convert the string into the uppercase or lowercase, because a capital M a capital M and a small m, these are two different characters. Although these are capital M and small m are M, but in the language of programming, capital M and small m, these are two different character. So you have to make it to a uh, either in capital letter on a or in small letter. So I have converted the string into the uppercase, so you can convert the string into the lowercase before doing all these operations, before implementing the logic. Oh, that's it. That is the main thing that I have missed. Okay, now you can run it. So now if I type capital M and ADAM, here this will be converted to a uppercase string, and it will give us palindrome, you can see. But previous case, if I would give that capital M, it would give the not palindrome, you can see. So if I comment this line and then if I run it, so if I run it, then if I write madam, then it will give not palindrome, you can see. That's why we have to do this step, otherwise the logic is not complement not complete at all. MADAM, this palindrome. That's it. Thank you.